Hey everyone, I am Vichitra Srivastav and this video is in collaboration with Foxy. So if you don't know what Foxy is, let me tell you, Foxy is a platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. Also, all the products that are used in this video are available on the Foxy app. So if you have not downloaded the Foxy app, please go and download now. You can download the Foxy app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. I will put the link to the Foxy app down below in the description box. So now coming back to the video, let me tell you that today I'm going to talk about 5 products that I use for my skin care for the daytime on daily basis. I will be showing you in the second part of the video how and when I am applying the products one by one on my skin, on my face. But before that, let me give you a view of the products that I'll be using today. So guys, these are the products that I'm going to use in the video and I'm going to tell you about each one of them in detail. Let me tell you about the first product. So the first product is from the Mamaearth and this is the Tea Tree Face Wash, if you can see. So now this is my go-to product. I am in total love with this product. This face wash is just amazing. So let me tell you about Mamaearth. This is paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, and this suits all skin types. Yes, this is the best part about this product. Like, this suits all skin types. And now let's come to the second product, which is the Bye Bye Blemishes from the Mamaearth again. This is a super product for anyone who's having any dark spots or blemishes or any kind of spots which is left after, or any kind of spots which is there on their face. Like, I used to have many and there are still some left, but they were really huge in numbers. But I have been using this product for the last 1 month and this has really given me huge results. So I really recommend you all to use this product, Bye Bye Blemishes from the Mamaearth. So again, this product is mineral oil and paraben free with bioactives, and this also suits all skin type. So without any worry about the skin texture or the skin combination, you can just go ahead for the Mamaearth product. Now let's come to the third product, which is the Aloe Vera Moisturizer from Khadi Naturals. So I really appreciate this product because this, as a moisturizer, is liquid in nature but it does not leave my skin sticky at all. The best part about this that it has aloe vera extract in it, and this is totally a natural product. So you can go ahead with this moisturizer, you can use this with any other moisturizer and apply. It will really get you rid of all the impurities because this has a smooth aloe vera moisturizer texture in it. Coming to the fourth product, this is my fourth product, which is the Pure Lavender Water from Kama Ayurveda. So now this is super easy to use. Just few spray on your face and you're done. This is a very fine product because this mist is for body and face both. I use it on my face after my face wash usually. This really leaves the skin so smooth and so soft, keeps you hydrated. It's really important to get yourself hydrated. Also, don't forget to drink enough water. And also it tones the skin, removes oiliness. Like, I'm a person who has oily skin, so I really appreciate this. So guys, the last product that I'm going to use is the lip balm from Arata. So now this is a natural lip balm which really leaves my lips very smooth, very plumpy, very soft and very moisturized. And the best part about this lip balm is that it is totally natural. I will show you the color. It has no artificial color in it and this really smells very nice. So now this one is with cocoa butter, lemon and mentha oil, and the fragrance is really nice. So yeah, that's it. Now let me take you to the second part of the video where I'll be using all these products on my face. So without wasting much time, let's get started. that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. And also please don't forget to follow Foxy's page on Instagram. I will put down the link below in the description box to their page. And please don't forget to pamper yourself. Stay fab, stay foxy.